Perched above a sweeping Catskills meadow, this beautifully renovated contemporary home is the kind of place that stops you in your tracks and then convinces you to stay a while. Built around 1990 and set on approximately 5.25 acres along a quiet, town-maintained road in Hamden, the home is wrapped in breathtaking mountain views that stretch endlessly across open fields and rolling hills. And for those dreaming even bigger, additional land is available. Whether you're hosting friends or savoring a quiet morning coffee, the expansive deck is the front row seat to it all: sunrises, sunsets, and everything in between. Inside, the home feels both warm and airy. A practical mudroom entry welcomes you in before the space opens into a stunning great room with soaring ceilings and wood floors designed for connection and comfort. The open floor plan seamlessly blends the kitchen, dining area, and living room, anchored by a cozy wood stove for Catskills winters, along with electric heat zones for flexible, efficient comfort year-round. Just off the great room, a three-season room invites you to linger with the views, protected from the elements, yet fully immersed in the landscape. The main level offers a peaceful bedroom retreat, and a beautifully updated full bathroom with a tiled tub shower, perfect for easy, single-level living. Upstairs, 2 additional bedrooms and a half bathroom provide space for guests, family, or creative pursuits. One bedroom features a charming crow's nest hideaway, a magical nook for reading, daydreaming, or quietly admiring the mountains from above. Downstairs, a full basement offers excellent ceiling height and endless potential. Studio, rec room, additional living space, or workshop, ready to be finished if desired. Beyond the property, Hamden delivers classic small-town Catskills charm. Scenic hiking trails, the Delaware River, a historic covered bridge, a beloved vintage baseball team, and the Hamden Inn, a local gathering spot for great food and conversation. This is more than a house. It's a Catskills lifestyle defined by views, light, and open space. A place to exhale, to gather, and to fall in love with the mountains all over again.